Welcome to our quick tour of the AccountingSuite interface. In this video, we'll explore the layout, buttons, and features that make managing your accounts easier and more efficient. Let's start with the homepage. The navigation panels are your gateway to the various sections of the software. These panels contain key commands and allow you to access specific forms. Next, we have the Open Items panel, which helps you switch between previously open sections and files quickly. The tabs are arranged by their opening time, with the new tabs added to the end. Simply click a tab to activate a form. You can drag the tabs to reorder them as you like. The Section panel serves as a quick access menu for different functional areas of the software. Each icon here represents a different aspect of business operations, allowing you to navigate swiftly to the tools you need. Now let's move to the Tools panel. First, we have the Search bar, a powerful tool that helps you find any information, files, or functions within the system quickly and efficiently. The Notifications area is where you'll find all your messages. It is your spot for staying updated on important alerts and communications. In the History section, you can access a log of previously open items, except for the homepage. This feature makes it easy to retrace your steps and find recently used forms and objects. The Favorites section is a user-created list of links for quick access to specific configuration sections, object forms, reports. Customize it with the items you use most frequently for even faster navigation. Now, let's explore the main menu, your hub for settings and frequently used tools. One of the most convenient features of our software is the use of links for each list of objects and individual objects. To get link, simply click Get Link button. To get to that object, click Go to Link and paste your link there. This feature is especially useful when working with colleagues on a project or when you need assistance from our support team. Instead of describing the location of an object, you can simply send the link, saving time and reducing errors. Next tool is the calculator, equipped with memory buttons M, M+, and M-. These buttons allow you to store, add to, and subtract from the memory. The Files button lets you open any files stored on your computer directly from the software, ensuring seamless access to all your objects. The Windows button opens a list of all currently open windows, helping you switch between different tasks and forms effortlessly. Settings allow you to change the way your app looks. You can add or remove panels from your screen by using Panel Setup tool. You can add or remove sections from the Section panel, or you can hide all the panels from your screen. Now, let's have a look how you can customize the interface in our application. To do this, go to the Admin panel and select UI and Appearance in the settings. Here, we have three drop-down menus. The first drop-down is Interface Theme. Here, you can change the interface color. The second drop-down is Interface Scale. You can choose between a compact or standard interface size. The third drop-down is Workspace Layout. You can choose from 7 presets to set the standard layout of the panels. If you are a super user, you can apply the settings for all users. Our system has two structures in which our data is stored: documents and lists. To access a specific object, you'll first open a list of all objects of that type. The interfaces of these objects are very similar. In this video, we'll demonstrate the interface using the list of items as an example. This list is divided into three main parts: the header, the action bar, and the work area. At the top, we have the header. To return to the previous active form, click back. If you have recently returned from a form, you can use forward button to navigate back. You can add or remove a form from your favorites by clicking the star icon. A yellow star indicates it is in your favorite. The Windows Settings button opens a menu with tools for customizing your window layout. You can dock windows anywhere on the screen. Use the side-by-side tool to view two forms simultaneously, and change the window scale for better visibility. Below the header is the action bar, which contains the commands you will use most frequently with the current form. For a complete list of commands, click More Actions. There is also a search bar to help you find specific items in the list. The work area displays the list of items along with their main information. You can sort the list by clicking on a column name. Clicking it again will reverse the order. By default, the list is sorted by the first column. Now, let's take a look at the object creation form, where you will input the details for new entries. Some fields are marked with the red underline. These are required fields, and you must fill them in before you can save the document. Leaving these fields empty will prevent you from saving your progress. If you see gray, semi-transparent text in a field, it indicates that the field will be filled automatically if you don't enter any information. This feature helps speed up data entry and ensures that all necessary fields are completed. If you see this triangular icon next to a field, you can click it to see all previously used options to fill in this field. If field was never completed before, you'll see this menu. Click Show All to see all possible options, or click the plus sign to create a new one. After you completed this field, you can click this rectangular icon to see the information about chosen option. After you have filled in all the necessary fields, you can save your document. Thank you for joining us on this tour of AccountingSuite interface. We hope this guide helps you navigate the system with ease. For more information and tutorials, visit our website.